Hey guys, I'm Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're standing on a 46-foot coupe by Cruisers Yachts, the 46 Cantius. Join me on a full walkthrough as we talk about some of the features and benefits that make this boat stand out as truly unique. Standing on the back of the platform of the 46 Cantius, this might look simple and straightforward, but there's a lot to talk about back here. First off, we've got our retractable shore power cable, so you're not dealing with storing that when you're done with it for the day. Little door right here opens up to give us controls for our swim platform. The whole platform that I'm on is actually submersible and drops down about 3 feet, so you can use this as a wading or a boarding area from the water. Also, you'll notice 2 tracks here. We can put chocks in there to hold a tender up to about 650 pounds as well. Underneath here is big expansive storage for throwing your fenders and ropes lines in, easily accessible for when you're docking. Moving over to starboard, we've got a summer kitchen. Underneath here is a grill, and down below is a drawer fridge. Finally, you'll notice 4 pieces here. When this swim platform is down, you're gonna see that we actually have a stairway that deploys, and it leads straight up through, lined up with our stairway here, up into our cockpit. First thing you're gonna notice is a freshwater washdown. That gives you the ability to wash the sand and the salt off after you've been having fun at the beach. To our starboard side, we've got additional refrigeration. Port side gives us an ice maker, and you'll see a nice big L-shaped lounger here with a table built in. Also underneath that is additional storage. If it's a little too sunny for you, we've got an automated sunshade that comes all the way out to cover you, even sitting at the back there. And then underneath me, we've got huge access to our engine compartment. We're gonna jump down there later, but keep in mind that this is a 46-foot coupe, and it is absolutely massive down there. Finally, moving on into the salon, you can see we've got triple sliders here that are glass, making it very easy to move throughout the boat. We've got a galley up configuration on our port side. Underneath that cover is a dual burner convection stove, oversized round sink, microwave oven with convection as well, and even air fryer built in. Moving over to starboard, we've got our TV built in for entertainment. Right next to that is our Rockford Fosgate head unit to control our audio throughout the boat, as well as our AC controls for the salon. Underneath, we've got additional refrigeration that can even be used as freezer as well. Moving forward, we've got a great little seating area on the starboard side, but our primary seating area is up here on our port side with a table as well for dining. We have 2 leafs to make it easier to get in and out, and you can even drop this down and fill it in for 2 additional sleeping spots on the boat. Back to starboard, we've got our helm station that is very well thought out, elevated for great visibility, joystick piloting, dual Garmin displays, another head unit so you can control the audio for yourself there at the captain's controls. And I really like how they put in this dual captain seat so you're not sitting there alone while you're running. Finally, as we make our way down into the cabins, you're gonna notice a door here. That gives us access to all of our power switches, all of our breakers. So that way, if you do need to turn something on or off while you're running, you don't have to go interrupt somebody down in a cabin. Another great part about the salon and our triple slider here is our built-in blinds that go all the way down to the floor, and they're stored right in place where you need them. Coming downstairs into our cabin area, you're gonna immediately walk into your VIP suite. And you're gonna notice right here that we have access to our day head that is shared with the VIP suite, and we even have a full dry head. The shower has its own separate glass enclosure as well. Also, to port side, we've got your own entertainment system, your own head unit for your stereo in here, TV controls, and even a full hanging closet. So making our way down into the master, you're gonna pass a ensuite head to port with an independent shower enclosure as well, just like our day head. I love how they put this chase here on the port side as well, so you've got an area to lay and read during the day. We also have a full hanging closet for all your clothes, washer and dryer combination unit on board, nice sized bed, and even another TV downstairs for entertaining. So here we are down in the engine room with the 46 Cantius. But keep in mind, this is a 46-foot coupe. I've been on 60-foot boats that don't have this kind of space in the engine room. We have twin Volvo D600 IPSs. Gives us plenty of space to move around them if we need. On the port side, we've got access to our cable reel, generator mounted up nice and high if I need to use any of the buttons manually. We even have a reversal oil change system right here, so if you want to do any of the maintenance yourself, it's very easy to do. Behind me, you'll see all of our breakers, manual battery switches if you need to use those. Very, very easy access to all of our batteries. Behind that, we even have a manual override for our swim platform if you have a problem with it. Now let's go back up to the bow and finish things up. So finally, here we are on the bow of the 46 Cantius. I'm certain this is going to become one of your favorite spots on the boat. Notice how easy it is to walk around. We've got great high railings to hold on to, 2 beautiful sun loungers. You can flip the backrest up to become a chase lounger. While you're underway, you can put them down so they're not impeding on the captain's view. I love what they did with this table here as well. It's a beautifully finished table, but we don't always want that out in the elements, so instead of having to remove it or cover it, you just flip the cushion up and stow it away right there, ready to go. Finally, underneath this locker here under my feet, we have great access to our windlass, and I love how they put the 2 controls here for in and out, so that way I don't have to open up the hatch, fumble around with the remote. I can control it right here while I'm standing up. Well, that concludes our walkthrough today on the 46 Cantius. If you have any other questions on this boat, or any other cruiser's yacht for that matter, give me a call or send me a text. My cell phone is 303-875-3988. Thanks for joining us today.